Okay, so we're going to look at a spreadsheet that will automatically generate stems and leaves for you if you ever need that in a CBA project or anything like that. Stem and leaves are useful for distributions, but they are a bit tedious to create. So what this does is with a set of data, it'll automatically generate the stem and the leaf for the set of data. So I'm going to take a set of data from the British Open. I'm going to take the longest distance of a drive by each player. So I'll take that whole column. So that's the longest that they drove during that tournament. So take all of those rows and I'll paste it directly into column A2. Okay, so what that has done is it's cycled through that full set of data, generated my stems, and then went through and generated the leaves for that. So you can see the shape of the stem and leaf graph and the distribution of that data by looking at it. In fact, it would compare fairly similarly to this, but of course it looks a bit different because of the way it's showed, but the distribution is the same. Um, so that's roughly how you do it. Just to show you how I'm doing it, so I've got a formula in here that's basically processing each of the rows as they come in and sorting those in the right order. Okay, so if more values were in there, so if there was 560 or 600, etc., then there would be more entries here for that. So you can study that formula if you wish. There's a couple of hidden columns there. So the first thing that I do is this, of course, could have a similar or duplicate rows in it. So you can see here that some player has driven, both two players have driven 406. I only need that once. So I just get the unique list of numbers there, and then um, I chomp off the first two digits of a 3-digit number, which is how I'm getting the 42, the 41, and so on, all the way back to the shortest drive, which was 265. Okay, so that's a very quick way to generate a stem and leaf using this spreadsheet as a basis once you have your data. So I'll store this alongside where the video is, and if you ever need it, it'll be there for you. Okay, thank you very much.